gonna get started on tearing this down. The head with the problem is on this side, so we're gonna get started. Okay, I got all the parts off the Jeep down to where I could get to the valve covers, and it's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna push it back outside and clean it up some more and bring it back in, and we'll get started on that next week. All right, we'll see you then. Okay, today we're at DC Racing. We're going to talk to Dudley Calhoun, the owner and driver of the Bonding Time Camaro.
Good morning, Papa Scott.
How's it going?
Doing good. I'll give you a brief today of what's going on. I'll take you back and give you a little history. We bought the car in 2023. Started working on it, disassembled it, and worked on it through 2024. Rebuilt the motor, differential, just basically went through the car completely. Updated all the safety equipment in it, seat belts, window nets, things like that. We'll give you a little tour of what's going on today. We have our front struts off. We're ready to button it up, and I looked down and the front strut was leaking oil out of the top of it right here, and it had puddled. So we're waiting on those rebuilt at Lamb Components out in California. Real nice people out there at Lamb, so you couldn't find better folks to deal with. So if y'all need any work on your shocks or need shocks, talk to Lamb Components. Melissa Lamb, Bill Lamb. What we done in the car this year was a lot of metal work. All the tin work was not in the car. The door panels, the wiring was shot in the car. So my son Chris rewired it with a race pack. Done an awesome job. Loved the race pack. Hats off to those guys at Race Pack. So basically, once Brad Jones made the dash, made the tunnel, we took it to Liquid Print, and Liquid Print put all the customized red skulls on it. Hope everybody likes that. Same thing as our rear wing here on the interior of the car. They also did this for me on the top of the wing. This is our brand, DC Racing. The name of the car. Bonding Time is the car. So we're still adjusting our Facebook page and LinkedIn page and trying to get everything right. We're working with marketing for sponsorships as well.
What is the name of that Facebook page?
It is DC Racing dash Bonding Time right now, but in the future it will be DC Racing, period.
Okay. Make sure everybody checks that out.
So this is a little better shot of the inside of the car for you. On the passenger side, some of the equipment in there. You see the ignition box. This is the race pack. Of course, your nitrous and your shift bottle behind it, and the CO2 bottle, or the fire extinguisher bottle. And today we are going to pull the side windows out of these doors. The other side is worse than this one. And we're going to repaint the border on these. We put a new windshield in it, Scott and I did. With the help of Brad Jones cutting it. Scott come back and fine-tuned it and countersunk all the holes and put all the bolts back in it. That's a couple things we're going to do today. Also, I've rigged these out for to go in the trailer. Quick tools. Set this on the table. This carries our gun to air up tires with. Our tire gauge. For shop towels. Window cleaner. This is SC1. This is some great stuff, by the way, folks. I use this on my personal truck. Tires, bumpers, paint, interior, everything. This stuff is awesome. I used to make those. So I'm trying to get this set up so we can roll it out the track, and that's all we need to do.
So what is your plans and goals for 2025?
2025, we're going to start off, I believe it is April 10th or 11th, 11th, 12th. It's Friday and Saturday. We're going to run a 580 index class. We're going to run the 580 class for the first race. Then we have another race coming up later in April. It's a bracket race at XRP Raceway in Paris, Texas, where we're going to be racing this year. It's off I-45. Most of our races will be there. And we will run the bracket series throughout the year. We're looking forward to the season. We will probably try to, once we get through this first month of April, we will be doing test and tuning at the track. And we will be turning on the nitrous bottle and see what she's got in her. We really don't know.
All right. Sounds like a good plan to me. Y'all get a chance, come out to Extreme Raceway Park. Come by the pits, take a look at the car. I think you'll really like it. And we better get to work now.